So last video we have learned about how to set up WooCommerce. So in this video I am going to share about set up WooCommerce with all the settings, required settings step by step. So go to my admin panel and go to the setting tab. First of all, the general setting. In general setting, your store only for purpose. Suppose you will receive any order, so by default this seller address will display with the customer. Okay, so you should enter proper information, don't add any wrong information. So once you done, okay, in India we have a GST, so whatever your country you are watching right now this video, you should know you have a tax rates or not. If you have, just enable. If you don't have, just skip it. And do you have any coupon calculation facilities or not? So which country, which currency you are selling? I am selling in US dollar, just like US dollar. Where you want to show your currency position, so I want to show my currency position left hand side, 1000 separate, decimal nothing, just save it. Now go to product section. In product section you can see which kind of page you want to show. Okay, by default this called as product, so we will be learning about product permalink also, like the website permalinks. You can create a product permalinks with which kind of permalinks you want to show in your product. Okay, so by default the page we have selected a shop. Add to cart behavior, what kind of behavior you want. You must have seen lots of e-commerce website, once you create a add to cart they would redirect you to other page, or you like stay on that page too, so automatically enable this feature. Placeholder image, how many image you want to show, 18 image or whatever, it totally depend the product image. Measurement, weight unit, kg, lbs. If I have a US, so I'll show in lbs. Okay, dimensions, centimeter, meter, inches, yard. Okay, review, would you like to show review, product review, so you have to enable, otherwise you disable. Product rating, would you like to show product rating, you can enter product rating. Now go to in shipping. In shipping section you have to create, so I am creating for you so you can learn how to create. So suppose my zone name is India, choose India. Which method? Okay, फ्लैट रेट है 18%. So 18%. So this is a flat rate. Every customer have to give me a 18%. Clear? Also I have added in India. So more option, I can click shipping option. What kind of option I am using? Enable shipping calculator, card pay you have to give or not. Shipping destination, default customer address, customer billing address. Okay, or you have to ask customer forcefully. If you don't, just next to shipping classes, which kind of classes you want to give. Suppose I want to give a class, ship class, like my name, ship, flight, and my flight service. So whenever like I'll get the any flight courier, so I can check how many products I have in this class, so I can later on check what kind of like I'm getting a international or not. So it helps you with the help of classes. Now go to the payments. Through the payment option we can integrate direct payment option, other. Okay, you have to set up check payment, cash on delivery, PayPal, all the basic you had to just set up one by one. just click in this and they after redirect you their PayPal account. You just to give authentication, that's it, nothing to it. And we will be learning more about how to configure PayPal, Razorpay, InstaMojo and other payment gateway, Pioneer and all these things. So coming video you can learn also. And account and privacy, what kind of privacy you want to show, okay. And allow customer to create an account, my account page, or and this one I don't want to use personal, okay. And you give a personal message, registration policy, checkout policy as per retain inactive account. If any account you can give next in a month inactive if they are not, so you can give everything. Just one time of hard work, you have to do it. Once you done, you don't need to worry about the future. Now go to the emails. Suppose you receive a message and it would be definitely read, so you have to give all this configuration with your team. So later on coming video I'll be share with you how to integrate all these things. So you can maximize license, maximize geolocation, this kind of service. It gives you proper information about the customer geolocation. So it's a paid service, you have to pay for it. It's a license key, you have to buy license key. And the last but not the least, this is a card page. So what you like to card ID, what you want to show, so everything it's totally you want to, you have to type term and condition. So every page, every checkout, they will see the term and condition. Order page, this is the slug it's used in slug, you can change also as per your requirement. These are all the pages. So this use in your WooCommerce. So hope you like this video. I have shared a very in-depth video. All I have explained you each and every step of WooCommerce. Hope you like this video and I'll catch you in next video.